Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that the price had a very nice movement today. Now, sure, I get it. The price did ultimately pull back quite a bit from its highs, but when you consider where the price was, going into the day, before today, down around this area of the chart, and then you consider where it closed, I think we can all agree that the bulls did still make some progress. And then on top of that, you factor in that volume pretty much came out of nowhere today. Again, each one of these represents 30 minutes. So the beginning portion of the day, not much was going on. And then all of a sudden, my guess would be some sort of news or something came out, but the volume came pouring in. So this all leads to the very valid and logical question: is this the start of something bigger? Does this big volume, does this price action, are the bulls getting ready to ramp up and make a much bigger move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point, and that point is down here at, what is that, $1.50. Why is $1.50 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that if this is the start of something bigger, well, the price is going to keep on getting bigger. Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. It's not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, yeah, thank you, Captain Obvious. Of course, if this is the start of something bigger, it needs to get bigger, not go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1.50. Any sort of closes below that mark, or worst case, or worse yet, the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, does what it's already done a couple times. I mean, it's already done it both there and there. So it does it a few more times and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows right there. You'd have that set right there. You picture each one of these as stair steps. And now you got some stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this case, I'm defining and quantifying the statement make progress as $1.50. I'm not even going to bother talking about levels of resistance because in my opinion right now, breaking levels of resistance, not even close to a top priority. Top priority for the chart, go through a healthy consolidation and build a higher base, because as long as there's higher bases being built, the long-term chart will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.